Hey Rohan, what tabs do you have open?
Shit ton of Google Sheets to keep track of data,
Okay.
Google Docs to write my PRDs, Metabase and Mixpanel to track stats, and Miro to make all my flows and journeys,
Okay.
and Cribbus for World Test Championship final.
Avril,
Yeah,
what tabs are open on your laptop?
I have Figma open, then I have Pinterest. I also have Behance and Dribble open, and yeah, that's about it.
You don't use Photoshop?
Not that much.
What is this?
That is my show. It's Modern Family. I love Modern Family.
All of our representatives are currently busy. Please stay on the line.
Darshil, what tabs do you have open?
I have Chrome, then I have VS Code and Simulator. उसके बाद I have Grid Kraken for all my Git branches. I have Spotify open and I have ChatGPT.
Vishal, what are you doing?
I'm just posting a reel.
Can I see it?
Oh, sure.